Food, the sustenance we absorb, has a story to tell. It has a journey that creates a bond, a connection, and a celebration of life. Across the globe, one humble protein unites us all, the chicken. Taste that's lip-smacking, nutrition that's highly valued, meat that's versatile and celebrated. The chicken has become a staple among millions, nourishing families and fueling gastronomy. Kasturi Poultry Farms, in its mission to nourishment, has become a trusted name in poultry excellence. Established in 1998 in a small village, Chinnaputtur, near Dharapuram, Tirupur district, by Shri Pradeep Kumar. We have spun tradition with innovation and have been providing safe, nutritious and high-quality poultry products for over 25 years now. At Kasturi, we believe that cleanliness begins with purity of one's own thoughts, mind and heart. Each step in our journey is commensurate with this belief and awareness of ours. At the heart of our operations lies our fully automated feed mill, designed to uphold the highest standards of cleanliness. We ensure every batch is prepared in an immaculately clean environment. Biosecurity being everyone's risk and everyone's responsibility, our breeding farms follow strict protocols, ensuring every avian flourishes in pristinely clean and disease-free environment. Our commitment to quality is reflected through the careful selection of the ven cob breed and its scientific management. The state-of-the-art hatcheries are a pride at KPF. We are equipped with an egg-setting capacity of 7.5 lakh eggs per week. And a newer facility with a capacity of 8 lakh eggs per week is in the hatching. Together, it sums up to a capacity of more than 15 lakh eggs per week. Hygiene and sterile conditions riding paramount in all of this. Powered by Peter's-Ime equipment, our hatcheries are models of precision and sanitation, ensuring every chick begins its life in a safe and clean environment. Across our 2,500 farms in Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Kerala and Karnataka, we maintain impeccable standards to support the health of our birds. With 1.5 crore square feet of farm capacity, our broilers are raised in clean, biosecure environments, producing 4.5 million chicks and 9 million tons of broiler meat monthly. Through these, we've created over 15,000 jobs, empowering farmers while doubling their income and providing unwavering technical support through trained KPF professionals. We also ensure that our high standards of clean spaces are maintained at every farm. For cleanliness is a state of purity, clarity and precision. Delivering excellence isn't possible without hygienic logistics. The robust maintenance of our fleet of over 50 automobiles, ensuring that feed and chicks reach their destinations in safe, healthy and clean conditions, reinforcing our commitment to hygiene and punctuality. A world-class processing plant with a capacity to process 8,000 birds per hour, poised to cater to global markets, is another feather in KPF's cap. At Kasturi Poultry Farms, the future is always about trust and quality. A company is only as good as the people it keeps. At Kasturi Poultry Farms, we take charge of employees' safety and care for their welfare, providing them with a clean and supportive work environment. Together, we've built a family that shares a common goal: to serve the best to the world. At Kasturi Poultry Farms, we don't just produce chickens and eggs. We nurture life, foster happiness, and uphold trust. Every process, every product, and every person reflects our resolute commitment to quality, hygiene, and care. Kasturi Poultry Farms, where every bite is a promise of love and dedication, because food is more than just fuel. It's an experience.